Subscribe to our channel and please don't forget to press the bell icon. Hello friends, Namaskara. Welcome back to Something's Cooking. We all know that chapati and sabzi are delicious to eat, but many times the family members can get fussy over eating the same dish, or you can be confused what to make with the chapatis. Here is a one pot meal. It's like pieces of chapati dunked in dal. It's a Rajasthani and Gujarati delicacy. It's the dal dhokli. So come, let's get started. So let me walk you through the ingredients. Before cooking the dal, we have to soak it for about 3 to 4 hours so that the dal will get cooked softly and you'll get a right consistency like a paste. This is how the soaked dal looks. Let's cook it in the pressure cooker for 4 to 5 whistles. Let's transfer the soaked dal into the pressure cooker. Add about 3 to 3.5 cups of water to this. 3.5 cups of water is the water including the water which we have soaked the dal in. Add quarter teaspoon of haldi, 1 teaspoon of oil. Let's close the lid and pressure cook this for 4 to 5 whistles. In a mixing bowl, take 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of gram flour, half teaspoon of red chili powder, quarter teaspoon of haldi, 1 teaspoon of oil, half teaspoon of ajwain. Add salt to taste. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Add water little by little and make the dough like the chapati dough. Dough for the dhokli is ready. Let's cover this and rest it for 10 minutes. Let's heat some water in a vessel. The dough is resting for 10 minutes now. Let's divide it into 2 portions. By applying some oil on both the sides, let's roll it into chapatis which are a little thicker than the regular ones. I've rolled it now. Let's cut them into square or diamond, whatever shape you desire, or even rectangle. The chapati should be of this thickness. If your rolling board is a little small, you can divide the dough into 3 portions to get the roti of this thickness. The water has started to boil now. Let's drop in these pieces into the water one by one. Repeat the same thing with the other portions. The doklis are boiling now. It will take around 5 minutes for this to get cooked. By the time, let's prepare the masala for the dal dokli. For the masala, let's take a pan, heat ghee in it. Once the ghee is hot, let's add in jeera, the dry spices, cinnamon, clove, and the stone flour. Give it a mix. I've made the ginger, garlic and the green chilies into a paste. Let's add it now. Let's fry them for a few minutes till the raw smell is gone. Add in the curry leaves. Let's add in finely chopped onions. We'll fry them till they are translucent. The onions have become translucent. Let's add haldi, dhania powder, red chili powder, and fry them for a few minutes. I've fried the masalas for a few minutes now. It's time now to add the tomatoes. Let's fry it till it's mushy and done. Let's add some salt at this stage, which will help the tomatoes to release the water and get cooked faster. The masala is done. Come, let's have a look at our doklis. The doklis are also cooked and ready. Let's start the final mixing. This is how the dal should look after 4 whistles. It's mushy and nice. I'm going to add in the boiled peanuts. The peanuts I've taken for this recipe, I've pressure cooked in the pressure cooker. I'm going to add it now. Now let's add in the dokli to this. You can use the water in which the doklis are cooked to adjust the consistency of the dish. Now let's add in the masala into it. Let's give it a good mix. This thing smells divine. This looks a little thicker, so I'm adding some water to it. The water in which the dokli was boiled, I'm adding it into it. Now this is in the right consistency. Let's add salt to taste. Let's add in half teaspoon of sugar to give it a finishing touch. The dal dokli is ready. Let's garnish it with some fresh coriander and plate it. The one pot meal dal dokli is ready to serve. Its unique flavors will leave you wanting for more. If you happen to try it, please tag us on our Instagram page, subscribe us on YouTube, and please don't forget to like our channel. Until I come back with the next recipe, bye-bye.